Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Digital Logic Design. In today's class, we are going to learn how to write the binary numbers. So here I have taken a decimal number starting from 0 to 15, where the number 10 starts with A and 15 ends with F. Okay, so I have taken the number from 10 to 15 as alphabets like A to F in hexadecimal format. Okay, so let's write the binary number format for 0 from 0 to 15. Okay. So I will be showing you two methods where one method is very much easy to memorize and the second method is by solving one of the technique. Okay. So let's see the first method where we can memorize it very easily. So we are going to write binary format. So here we are considering a 4-bit binary. So in order to write the binary numbers, we need to start from right side to the left. Okay. So here put 0, 1 followed by 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Again, in the second row, consider two zeros, two ones, two zeros, two ones, two zeros, two ones, two zeros, two ones. Okay. Coming to the third row, put four zeros, four ones, again four zeros, four ones. Okay. Coming to the last row from the right side, till 7, put all zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. From 8 to 15, put ones. Okay. So now easily we got the binary numbers. So the binary of 0 is 0, followed by the binary of 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 0, 3 is 1, 1, and so on. Okay. So this is the easiest way to write the binary numbers in a memorizing way. Okay. Now let me tell you one of the technique where you can properly learn how to write the binary. Okay. So let me rub this. The technique what I'm going to say is 8421 code. Okay, it is called 8421 code. Okay, so following with the help of 8421 code, you can easily write the binary value of these decimal numbers. Okay, so let's see. First, as the value is 0, that is, so the binary number of 0 will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so let's see how to write the binary value of 1. In 8421, where this 1 is at the fourth position, put there 1 and remaining all zeros. Okay. Now see the second number where this 2 is in the third position. Put there 1 and remaining make it 0. Coming to the third one, 2 plus 3 gives, 2 plus 1 gives 3, right? So put there 1, 1 and remaining make 0. Coming to the 4, here we already have number 4. So put there 1 and make remaining zeros. Okay. Coming to the 5. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So 4 and 1s are 1 and remaining ones are zeros. Okay. Coming to the 6. 4 plus 2 gives 6. So put 1 over there and remainings will be 0. Okay. Coming to the 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 1, 1, 1 and last one will be 0. Coming to 8, the first position is 8 itself. Put 1 there and put remaining values as zeros. Okay. Coming to 9, 8 plus 1 gives us 9. So put 1, 1 over here and remaining zeros. Okay. Coming to 10, A is 10, right? So 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So 1, 1 remaining is zeros. And coming to B, it is 11. So 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1. We get 0. And this is C is 12. 8 plus 4 gives us 12 and remaining zeros. Okay. So D is 13, right? 8 plus 4 plus 1 gives 13. So 1101. For 14, 8 plus 4 plus 2 gives 14. Okay, and the last one, F is 15. Okay, all ones. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives us 15. Okay, so this is how to write the binary numbers with respect to 8421 code.